What's up, guys? So what's in store for today is I'm going to put in a strobe module for my LED third brake light. A lot of cars have this. You can put it in for any car basically, as long as it's LED. So it's pretty straightforward. All you gotta do is put in a line in, line out, like it says right here, and we're just going to get to it. First step is to, just to make it easier, remove the cover from the trunk. It's pretty easy. And the wires for the third brake light basically is right here at this point. You can feel it coming up from the spoiler on the left side. It's hooked up right here. All you gotta do is pull this way and it'll come right out, and then you can disconnect the harness where it'll open up the conduit so we can splice in the module. So we're going to get to that and it'll be pretty quick. Alright, so after a little bit of soldering, we're all set. I have electrical tape around the connections, the solders. We have the out going to the light, and we have the in coming from the pigtail. So the green and black wires. So, you get provide a 3M tape to stick it on the back anywhere that it'll fit. And then we can see what it looks like. Very cool. So what it does is it blinks fast a few times, then it's a little bit slower paced, then it'll stay solid. I like it just so it'll get the attention of people who aren't paying attention. People on their phones, whatever. What are you doing, Zap? You're just strobing it now.
You do that. I just wanted to do that. I thought it'd be fun.
Alright. But yeah, a lot of places actually don't allow this, but I really don't give a damn. Just because, if it gets the attention of someone, I'm happier about that. And it's not like you're going to mistake it for someone just tapping their brake like a fucking maniac.
My headlights high enough to blind people so they know I'm coming.
The unfortunate thing is my headlights are like that right now.
Yeah, I know they are. That's why I hate
we gotta lower them.
Yeah. That's the next video. How to lower headlights on a Civic.
Not that hard. Alright, well, introducing the penis pump. And I think that's all for what we have, right?
Yep, that's it.
Alright.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Alright, thanks for watching, and if you liked it, like the video, share it, subscribe, really helps us out. And until next time, we'll see you later.
Trying to hit 1,000 subs. Subscribe now.
Yes, please. Bye.
Bye.